Today, we're going to discuss an important but often overlooked parameter in boiler operation: boiler conductivity. Conductivity provides valuable insight into boiler water quality and helps operators identify conditions that can lead to scale formation, corrosion, reduced efficiency, and equipment damage. Let's begin by understanding what boiler conductivity actually is. Boiler conductivity is a measurement of how well boiler water can conduct electricity. The more dissolved minerals, salts, and impurities present in the water, the higher the conductivity. Think of it like this: pure water equals poor conductor. Water with dissolved minerals equals better conductor. In boilers, conductivity helps engineers understand the quality of the water inside the system. Boiler water quality is guided by several industry organizations. ASME requires proper monitoring and treatment of boiler water. ABMA provides recommendations for acceptable dissolved solids levels, with conductivity serving as a practical monitoring method. The U.S. Department of Energy promotes conductivity-controlled blowdown as a best practice for improving boiler efficiency. Together, these guidelines emphasize the importance of maintaining proper water quality for safe and reliable operation. Why is conductivity important? Imagine making tea in the same cup every day without washing it. Eventually, residue builds up. The same thing happens inside boilers. When water is heated, steam leaves the boiler, minerals stay behind. Dissolved solids become concentrated. If conductivity becomes too high, it can lead to scale buildup on boiler tubes, corrosion of internal components, reduced heating efficiency, higher fuel consumption, equipment damage, and downtime. How conductivity monitoring works. The process is simple and automatic. A conductivity sensor continuously measures the water inside the boiler. The reading is sent to a controller. When conductivity rises above the set limit, the controller activates a blowdown valve. Concentrated water is removed and replaced with fresh feed water. Once conductivity returns to the desired range, the valve closes. This continuous cycle keeps boiler water quality under control 24 hours a day. What is blowdown? Blowdown is the controlled removal of boiler water to reduce dissolved solids and maintain water quality. Without blowdown, minerals would continue accumulating inside the boiler. There are two main types. Surface blowdown removes dissolved solids near the waterline and is often automated. Bottom blowdown removes sludge and sediment that settle at the bottom of the boiler. Together, they help keep the boiler clean and operating efficiently. Benefits of blowdown. Proper blowdown offers several important benefits. It prevents scale buildup and corrosion. It improves steam purity and quality. It extends equipment life by reducing overheating and damage, and it lowers chemical treatment requirements. Simply put, effective blowdown improves both boiler performance and reliability. Where is conductivity monitoring used? Conductivity monitoring is used anywhere steam is critical to operations. Common applications include hotels, hospitals, manufacturing plants, food processing facilities, laundries, power plants, universities, and pharmaceutical facilities. In each of these environments, maintaining proper water quality helps improve efficiency, reduce downtime, and protect valuable equipment. Did you know? Modern smart boilers automatically adjust blowdown based on real-time conductivity readings. Instead of removing water on a fixed schedule, they remove only what is necessary. This can reduce water consumption by up to 30%, cut fuel usage by roughly 10% for every millimeter of scale prevented, and significantly extend equipment life. Many facilities also recover heat from blowdown water, creating additional energy savings. Smart conductivity control is a simple way to improve both efficiency and sustainability. Let's quickly recap. Boiler conductivity is a key indicator of water quality. Proper monitoring and blowdown control help prevent scale, reduce corrosion, improve efficiency, lower fuel costs, and extend equipment life. Remember, conductivity is the hidden indicator of boiler health. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe for more engineering and MEP training content.